Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. The ailerons are the part of the wing that allow you to turn the aircraft. They're a little more complicated because they're required to be counterbalanced so that they automatically seek neutral position in flight. This position helps hold the wings level. This way the pilot doesn't have to be constantly physically holding the airplane level in flight. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I fabricated and assembled the ailerons in the Sonex aircraft that I'm building. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any additional details of the build that you'd like to see. And please remember to like and subscribe to my channel because you're not going to want to miss any of this exciting adventure. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and thanks for watching.